Arts Nogo Art and Craft. Art and Craft shop with arts and there.
Hi friends, I'm Jagan from Raj Noho Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you the different type of new flowers that have come to our shop. And let me show you these flowers one by one so that you get an idea, and you can just take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number. The first one I showed you is the big size flower, and this one is the medium size flower, slightly smaller, and I am putting this in a scale for show you either in hand or scale. You can just get an idea. So this flower is fully made of jute cloth, very beautiful to look, and you can use it for bouquet and also for gift wrapping also. So one flower you can keep it with a glue stick, you can stick it, and these are available in 4 different colors, and all are made of full jute only. There is 5 colors: green, pink, red, blue, and also yellow is also available, and here light pink is also coming. So sometimes it comes like this, but you can just stick it with the glue stick. These are the golden bud roses. So all are gold and also red color. These two are the fast moving, so I bought these two. And one bunch, this is one bunch, but we don't sell in bunches, we sell in pack only. So you can check the prices of all these in our website. I have put that in description below, and I will be uploading it soon if I have not uploaded it. And you can just take a screenshot of these and send it to my WhatsApp number, and that will be a quick buy. And this is the red color with green, how beautiful they look. And here is another one, beautiful flower where like sunflower it looks. So you can, this is available in 3 different colors: pista, green, yellow, and red. And this is also one flower, lily, and this is available in pieces. This is 8 rupees per piece. You can decorate your aarti plates or any other decorations, or even you can do beautiful bouquets with this type of flower. And these are all the color pollens. This is single color pollens, and this is double color, triple color pollen is also coming. And one pack has 12 different bunches in it. So these comes in bunches only, not in pieces. So these are all the different colors. You can just use it for filling purpose. And these are all the jute flowers. So jute cloth made flowers. So one pack is about 175 rupees, and it has about 1 dozen in it. And these are available in different colors. You can also use this for full decoration purposes. And this is also in bud packing, and this is 36 piece packing. And this is the fillers. You can fill these fillers with the flowers, and that gives a very natural look. And this is available in pink color, and each are coming in bunches also. You can see the measurement in scale, and this is the natural color fillers available. And one bunch is 10 to 15 rupees per piece bunch. So you can use these bunches for filling purpose. And this is the glitter silver leaves, and this is also used as a filler for your flowers. When the flowers and these fillers join, they give a beautiful ornamental look for your finished products like bouquets or even gifts or any other things. You can use these, and for decoration purpose also you can use these in marriage decoration, birthday decoration. Order now from your mobile by just a WhatsApp.